Daddy! Daddy has a knife in his head. Ah! Don't pull it out. I'll bleed to death. We're just going to cruise to the beach. And, oh, we didn't get anything for Brucey. Sorry, Bruce. I could have got you anything, dude. Ah, I forgot about Bruce for you. Ah. Now I just want to give you a quick look at where I come to sing karaoke Tuesdays and Saturday nights. I did it when I lived here 6 years ago. It's kind of open to the general public, but you just have to buy chips or something like that. It's called Aquarius. Playing tonight. That's the stage, good fun, plenty of TVs around. So they've got a kiosk here, which you can choose all your songs. It's very, very, very awesome. Could be a bigger venue, but that's fine, we love it. Let's go, boys! Front flip! Well done, everyone! I really like this spot.
We need a hug, ne?
Hug? Here we are. 6 years ago, I met. This was kind of our first date area here, Ria. Yeah, I kind of took Ria here on our first outing together. I remember that. It was definitely our first outing. I don't know whether it was you who wanted to come here. Where are we? Brunswick Heads, yeah?
Yeah, here is Brunswick.
And as I was driving in over that bridge, I saw people jumping, and I stopped the car, found a park. Ria jumped out of the car, and Ria ran to the rail and went bye-bye, waved, and jumped off. All of my precious princess girlfriends in the past would never do that. They'd get up there, stand there, and then drag everyone's energy by saying, oh, it's too scary, I can't do it, oh, and then they'd almost do it, then they'd fail to do it, and eventually they'd usually climb back over and not do it at all. So I chose Ria for that earthy characteristic, which I like. And at the end of the day, that's a good quality to have as a woman, transcending that to your children. Let's have a hug. And here we are 6 years later with a whole family and a dog somewhere. And yeah, good fun. Go and jump off it again, Ria, for old time's sake.
Yeah, I can.
Go and jump off it. This is Taiki climbing up straight poles. Look how he does it. He kisses the sign. I don't know where it hits it and kisses it. Good one, TP. What about Lana? Can you do that? Yeah. Let's see it. Hello and good morning from the Killeen Falls is where we've come to today. I did wake up with an ambition to get rid of this beard because humidity is quite high now, and so I've done it, cleaned it off again. What do you reckon? Oh well. Ria thinks I look younger, but it just feels fresher. It's very sweaty. Okay, here we go. So we're at the waterfalls. We've come for a little walk. And here's coming up to the waterfall now. What's this? Oh, this is not a waterfall. This is a dam. Right, this is a dam. Can you say dam? There's another waterfall, which is a natural waterfall, which we're going to walk to next. And Taikin Bob Booby. There he is.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, and Valentina, where's Whiskey?
Still there with Uncle.
Ah, Whiskey has been doing unko, like poo in the toilet, in the bushes somewhere for 2 weeks now because Valentina lost him. And so he's got this thing of saying, yeah, he's here, but he's just in the bushes doing unko. So cute.